Hello loves, welcome to Unique Makes by Christina. Today I have a Shein haul. So let's go ahead and check out what goodies I was able to find on Shein. So the first thing I want to show you are these hair bows, and they are clip-ons. But I'm not using them for hair bows. I do use them for my crafty. And they do have jemmies in the middle. But let me show you these. These are really, really nice. Now, I take these off. Well, it depends. Depends if I use them in my crafting. I could take the clips off and leave it. Or I'll take it off and turn it into a fancy bead. But look at that. You get the maroon. You get a white. And this shop has a variety of colors. And they're some of them are random. I think this might have been a random pack. Look at that. Love those. And I just love the centerpiece in the middle. So it has a little blue on there. But look at that. Love it. And like a peach. A pink. A gray. Love, love, love. And this one also has different styles and a cream. But yeah, I believe you get random styles of that. They do show you the different colors they have, and then they pick random. So the next one I have is this other one, and I believe they came from the same shop. Let's look at these. Now I've hauled some similar. Look at that. You got the soft blue, and look at all the jemmies. Jemmies on the side, on the bow, jemmy on the tails. Love it. So I got the baby blue. It comes in the purple. Get the dark and light pink. Look at that. How pretty are those? Those are beautiful. The green and the red. So nice Christmas colors there. Love, love, love. Now, next one I have, and I believe you get 5. Let me see. So these are tulips, and you use them for your keychains. Yeah. So these are tulips. They're like almost like a tulip ribbon, and all you do is tie them. You could add them to your keychain. You can make it into a bow and add it to your keychain. But yeah, this one goes in a light blue, the purple, of course you got the yellow, the red, and the pink. Love, 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 love those. Now next thing I hauled is some washi tape, and these are really, really pretty washi tape. Let me open this. You can look at it closer. Look at that. How cute is that? So you got flowers. You got some with flowers. Let me show you some of it. So this one's the sky. Look at that. How pretty is that? So you got the sky. You do got like the little sun. You get a good amount. You get a nice amount. The little circles. Real pretty. I love these. And this is a little thicker with stars. Real, real nice. And look at that. So pretty. Some pink clouds. This one's flowers. And then look at that. Real, real nice. Love it. Love those. You actually get a good amount on that. So I do like those. And it does tell you how much you get of that right there. So real nice. Love that. That's a good one right there. So the next thing I hauled are these bows. And you know me, I love my bows. And these do fit beadable pins. There are iridescent. Look at that. So you get the white, green, blue, pink, dark pink, light pink, purple, orange, and yellow. And they do have a little glitter inside. See, show you there. Real nice. And the hole does go up and down. Love it. Love. Now, next thing I hauled are these balloon charms. And it's a mixed pack, but it looks like I got mainly red, pink, and yellow instead of the blue. But look at that. So you get 5 of those. Real pretty. Love that. And this is another, it's almost like a rebuy. I bought this before. This is strawberries. This is ladybugs and bumblebees and flowers, and they are those stickums. Hobby Lobby has stuff like this. Look at that. Real nice. So they'd be nice to add embellishments. I got those. Love. Now there's a 12 piece, and I got me some little froggies, and these are flatbacks. Look at that. You got some clear and some dark green. Love. Like I said, you do get 12 of those, and they're a good size. Oh, this one here, I love this one. This is like chic perfume bottles, and I believe you get, let's say, 20 pieces. Now, out of my orders, I think this was one of the expensive ones. But wait till you see these. And they're 5 different styles. Look at that. So they're perfume bottles. And these can easily be turned into charms, which I will be doing a video on soon. Look at that. So cute. This is actually, it goes nice with the pink and fresh. They had a real cute perfume bottle and girl that came out, I believe, last month. So those will actually be really nice to go with. I got those. Another thing I hauled are these flower pet stickers. Let's check these out. And I like these because they have like a little, they do have a little foiling to it, but look at that. Look at the shine on those two. Let me bring it closer so you can see. Those are real pretty. And this shop had different colors, flowers, but I wanted the burgundy. So pretty. And I love the foiling on there. But yeah, look at that one. Yeah, these are so nice. Look at that. So nice. Look at that. Look at that one. That one. It's a good little set. We'll have to get the other colors. So yeah, I got those. And they're actually a real nice size. These would be nice on a card. So pretty. It's really pretty. Got those there. Another thing I hauled are these Carnival, and these are like little paper die cuts. And I've ordered these before, but for Halloween. Well, look at that. And it does come with little stage die cuts. I like these to use on ATC cards and even on some what do you call it? Some like cards. Let me show you this way. So you do have the stage, and these are thick cardstock. But you already have the stage already. You get a few stages. And then you do get some matching clowns. They're like vintage clowns, but look at that. This is almost like I had ordered this before my Creative Time came out with theirs. But look at that. You get like those. Now they make like really cute scenery. And this one had different colors, so they didn't just have this color, they had others. But look at that. Real nice. And like I said, I like using these on ATC, mainly ATC cards. But those are actually really nice. I liked the Halloween ones that I got from Temu. They actually had houses on theirs. So I really like those. Actually real nice. I'm going to see if they had the others available. Now the next thing I have is some stickers. And these are like Kawaii girl stickers. And I also got these for like ATC cards also. This one you get different ones. Look at that. How cutie patootie is she? Oh, this one opens. But look at that. Look at all the cuteness. All the cuteness. Let me show this way. The cuteness. Look how pretty she is. And like I said, I like using mine on ATC cards. Look at that. So cute. So cute. Love it. Oh, another thing I saw are these. These are actually Rainbow Brite. They're almost like a card. Maybe you could use them like to make cards. Yeah, look at that. Like little cards that you could use. They were great to cut them in half and just use it individually for like cards or even bookmarks. Now they are thin, so you have to back it up on some cardstock. But look at that. How nice is that? Oh, maybe these were like Valentine cards. Yeah, I think these were like Valentine cards. But look, even birthday cards. So you can always pop it up on a birthday card or a card. Well, how cute are these? Real nice. So you can even actually make a little mini journal. Fold it in half, and then you got a mini journal. But yeah, real nice. Leave a comment below and let me know what you think I should make with these. Also, I actually got another set of stickers. I got another set of girl stickers. So cute. And then the last thing I got from Shein are some, I believe they were unicorn stickers. But yeah, they got some glossy stickers. I love my unicorns. Look at that, how cute are these? And this is a glossy finish. Look at that. Super cute. Real cute. Love it. Love. Let me know in comments, do you guys love unicorns? I always liked them since I was a little girl. I think in elementary school I made a story about them. Look at that. Fly high, dreamer. These are actually really cute. Reach for the stars. Rainbow dreams. But yeah, look at that. But yeah, so that is my nice little haul from Shein. Let me know in the comments below what is your favorite. I personally love it all, of course. Do comment below. Give me a thumbs up. Do subscribe if you haven't. I sure would love to have you in my crafty family. And with that, you have a blessed day. Bye-bye.